Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Jo. I upload weekly videos on bag making and DIY sewing. Today I will show you how to make a simple and comfortable to wear 3D face mask. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more content. Let's get started. How to sew a 3D face mask plus a free pattern download. Download your pattern and cut out two pieces, one for the lining and one for the exterior, and one lightweight stabilizer, which is optional. Iron the stabilizer to the exterior fabric if using. Now place your exterior fabric right sides up and place the lining fabric right sides down on top of the exterior fabric. Pin. And you will sew along the edges, leaving one short edge open for turning. Turn your work inside out, exposing the exterior part. Make sure you push out all the corners and press. Fold in the opening, press and iron around all of the corners. Top stitch. Now fold inwards one long edge measuring 2 inches. Fold the other edge upwards measuring 2 inches as well. You will stitch along the edges using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You will need 2 pieces of elastic 10 inches in length. Fold one flap in line with the top edge that you have just sewn and pin. Repeat for the bottom flap. Take your elastic and place to the short edge, folding inwards once or twice. If it's too bulky, you can just fold in once. Sew along the edge, making sure not to sew over your elastic. Repeat for the other end. Tie the open edges of the elastic together and you will cut the excess. So there you have it, your 3D face mask. This mask will fit from the bridge of your nose to the bottom of your chin and is suitable for a female. Remember to download the pattern in the description. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. I hope that this video was helpful to you in some way. See you in my next video.